have here my ID with my accreditation number. So let me acknowledge first the presence of Miss Joanna Salitico. Because she is just here to oversee our assessment. So I will now check your attendance as I already come forward and present your attendance. Miss Delary. Next is Jonathan. Let's proceed to your feedback. For your practical performance, you did it right, satisfactory, and also the oral question, you answered it correctly. Congratulations, Miss Sam. Once again, thank you. I'm Miss Lotus.
Hello, sir.
What's your name today?
I'm okay, sir.
So now as I observed, you answered all the questions correctly, but you may not something in your practical. But don't worry, with this skill COC and you can reassess any time of your convenience and to assessment center of your choice. I'm sorry, but you're not yet promoted. Still, congratulations. Please sign it.